Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this tutorial on punctuation mark is proudly sponsored by Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction in Ile-Ife, and currently we have started our post-UTME and pre-degree classes, so you can join us for a physical class. So let's get to the business of this hour. The names, I have 25 punctuation marks here on the board that I want us to know. The number one here, we have Caret. This one is called Caret. The name given to this kind of punctuation mark is called Caret. And of course, if you are writing something and something is omitted, you can just put it down and write what is omitted up. So the name given to that sign or that punctuation mark is called Caret. Number two, in mathematics you can call this plus, but in English we call it obelisk. 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 In English language, we call it what? Obelisk. Usually, we use it when you see obelisk. Maybe you see this kind of sign before a name of a person. That presupposes that that person is already dead. It's late. Okay, so that's obelisk. Many a times when you see casket, you see that plus sign, that obelisk sign on it. The number three is slant or slash. Slash or slant. Slant or slash. This one is back slash. Back slash. Number four is back slash. This one is slash or slant. This one is back slash or back slant. Okay. Number five is asterisk. 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 Most time it is used for emphasis, or if there is any error, or for prominence sake. You want to identify that there is an error, you can asterisk that, or for prominence sake. This one is ellipsis. 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 For a deliberate omission. Sometimes we say and so on. Ellipsis. And so on will be etc. Ellipsis is the deliberate removal of an element. So this one is question mark. Question mark. Number 8 is exclamatory mark. Exclamatory or exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Number 9 is at sign. At sign. At gmail.com, at yahoo.com. This one is swung. Swung dash. Swung dash. Swung dash. Because this one is bracket. Bracket. Or you can call this parenthesis. 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 Brackets is suitable for British English, while parenthesis will be better for American English, or both. This one is bracket. Then this one is square bracket. Square bracket. square brackets, square brackets. This one is curly bracket, or you can call it braces or coily brackets. Number 14, we can call it inverted comma or quotation mark. Quotation marks or inverted comma. And of course, this one is American format. We can also call it double quotation marks or inverted comma. Then this one is single quotation mark. Single quotation marks. Usually the British use the single quotation mark. Why the British use single quotation mark, the American prefer the use of double quotation marks. Number 16. Number 16 is, in American English, you can call it period. And in British English, you call it full stop. Number 17, we have comma. Don't forget, comma is double M. Why comma? To be in a state of unconsciousness is one M. That's comma. This one is apostrophe. Okay. The apostrophe. Apostrophe is used for possession. Like the boy's car, the man's car, the man's house. This one is semicolon. Why this one, number 25 here, is colon? The difference between colon and semicolon is this one has two dots. One full stop up, one full stop down. That's colon. This one full stop up and one comma down is semicolon. This one is angle bracket. This one is angle bracket. Now, in this case, we have a very long line here, followed by this, and followed by this. So this longer one is called dash. Don't forget, we have swung dash. It went zigzag. It didn't go as straight as this. So this one is swung dash. This one is dash. And this longer dash is called M dash. Why this one is called N dash? Both are called dash. In fact, this is also dash, but this one is swung dash. Why this one is M dash? M dash. Why this one is N dash? Sorry, N dash. This one is hyphen. Like when you have a compound, a diacritic compound or a compound words, you can put hyphen. Then this is number 20. Okay, this is number 25 now, since I've addressed this as 24. So in my comment section, please give me the name of this. What is the name of this punctuation mark called in English language, or in any language you know how it is being used? What is the name of this punctuation mark? So let's go through it again. Number 1, we say we have caret. Number 2, we have obelisk. Number 3, we have slash or slant. Number 4, we have backslash. Number 5, we have asterisk. Number 6, we have ellipsis. Don't forget, this ellipsis in number 6 has only 3 dots. The moment it becomes 4, it will no longer operate within the realm of grammar. Just like some people will use this exclamatory mark in 3 places. That would be tautology. It is tautological to use it like this. Don't use it in a cluster. There is no sign like this. So it is only 1. The exclamatory mark is only 1, not 3. Many a times we use that for we use it wrongly for emphasis sake. You can just use it 1. Exclamatory mark. Okay, number 6. Like I told you, I said it is only 3 dots, not 4, not 5, not 2. This one is question mark for interrogation or interrogation mark, exclamatory mark, @ at gmail.com. This is a swung dash, bracket or parenthesis, brace, a square bracket. This is braces or curly brackets. And this one is double quotation or inverted comma, single quotation or single inverted comma. Then we have full stop or period. We have comma. We have apostrophe. We have semicolon and we have colon. We have angle brackets. We have dash. That is the M dash. The M dash is longer than the N dash, while the hyphen is shorter than the N dash, and N dash is shorter than the M dash. So under the comment section of this video, please let me hear from you. What is the name of this punctuation mark? Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. You can call my number on 08038644328. Okay, Akahi Tutors. Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. Okay, thank you and God bless you.